मर्जर केल्याक इनवॅलिड मर्जर केल्याक तांकां सगळ्यांक डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करपाचें आनी जो मेरेन पिटिशनाचेर फायनल हें जायना ऑर्डर येना त्या म्हणसर तांकां आमदार म्हणून काम करपाक बंद करचें रिस्ट्रेन करचें आनी तांकां कसलेंच कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल पोजिशन ऑर एनी ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉफीट घेवपाक आमी बंद करचें हें आमचो प्रेयर आसा.
See, we sought for disqualification under Article 191, read with Para 2 of the 10th schedule. Now, it is in the interest of the legislators as well as the 10 members who have shifted to the BJP party, so as to for them to prove their legitimacy, that they are legitimately joined the BJP party, that the disqualification petition should be decided at the earliest. Now, the question here is the legitimacy of this government. So it is in the interest of this government as well as the speaker, it is in the interest of Goa that the speaker should decide this expeditiously. Now, there are several options available at us if there are delaying tactics, dilatory tactics being brought about to delay a decision in this matter, for us to approach the High Court. So we can also approach the High Court for an expeditious decision in this matter.
A valid merger, and our case in the petition is that there is no valid merger. Because for a valid merger in terms of the 10th schedule, there are two requirements. Firstly, the original political party on whose ticket they had fought the election and stood elected to the assembly should merge. And secondly, 2/3 of the members of the legislature party should agree to such a merger. Now in the present case, there is no merger of the original political party. And on that account, it clearly amounts to a violation of 10th schedule and they have incurred the disqualification.